Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig review is by Sensational in their Butta Lace in their style Butta Unit 12. Without further ado, let's go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and watch me explain to you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up, the pros, the cons, and the specs. Let's go.
Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. Tell me how you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. Tell me how you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide Dasher, dancer, prince, a vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? I know. Tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that? Tell me how you do that. Oh, I know how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high. How you fly so high. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you touch the sky. How you touch the sky. They used to make fun of you, call you out your name. Never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, dancer, prince, a vixen, they came after you. But instead of staying down, you went to the moon. On the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said, long as the trees lay bright, I know you can guide my sleigh tonight. Rudolph, Rudolph, how you do that? Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how rain is fly so high? Yeah. Rudolph, how you do that?
Now that you've watched me install the wig, let me tell you some more about the wig. Like I said in the intro, this wig is Sensational Butta lace in the style Butta Unit 12. I do have the color Money Piece on at the moment. Money Piece Sandy Blonde. The wig does come with 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, with an adjustable strap to help you adjust the wig in the event it might be too small for you. For specs about the wig does come with virtually undetectable HD lace. It blends well with most skin tones. It has a 5-inch deep hand tie parting area. It comes with pre-plucked baby hairs, which I didn't apply in this video, and a natural density hairline which mimics textured hair. So let me get the stock card. On the stock card, I don't know about you, but for me it wasn't clear that the hair was textured. I don't know what I thought it was. I felt like maybe a little silky, but no, it's not silky at all. It's very textured. At the time of recording, when I checked the price, the wigs began at the price of $36.95. Now the fun part, my 2 3 4 cents on this wig. The pros: the claims of the lace melting, what did it say, melts. The HD lace blends well with most skin tones. Oh, that's a definite truth. The wig is very, very big and friendly, to the point where I feel like it's too big for an average head. So there's plenty of space in the back, plenty of space right here, plenty of space right here. It's just, I don't know. I don't know how to adjust it, because I've adjusted it as far as I could go, and it's still too big for me. It is beginner friendly, but with the disclaimer that you may have to recurl the front every now and then if you do choose to wear this wig on a regular basis, because when it came out of the pack it was very dry. the curls, if I ran my fingers through it, they would just drop, so I had to recurl it. Which now leads me to the cons. The hair does not take heat very well. So when I try to recurl it, I would have to do like several passes, or I have to put the temperature up to like at least 300. Typically any other wig that I would do, I'd do 270 max, but this one I needed to do 300 in order to recurl it just to get these little curls. So that's my con. And the other con that I have, it is a little too big for an average head person. And so it's beginner friendly, is a pro, but for me that's average size head. It's too big, so for me it's a con. So overall I would give this wig a 6.5 out of 10. So yes, 6.5 out of 10. And let me show you how the wig came versus how I have styled it, because it is a bit different. And this is how I did mine. This is how I did mine. So if you got to the end of the video, don't forget to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share the video, like the video, leave a comment on the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.